These 7 free AI tools for content creators feel absolutely illegal. From a video editor that rivals Premiere Pro to an AI voice generator that sounds completely human, every single one of these tools has a free tier powerful enough to replace paid software. If you make content, you need to know about these today. CapCut AI is a free video editing tool that runs entirely in your browser. No downloads, no subscriptions, no watermarks. You upload your raw footage and CapCut AI automatically identifies the best moments, cuts out dead space, adds captions, and syncs transitions to your music. It can remove backgrounds without a green screen. It can auto-generate subtitles in over 40 languages. And it can even suggest trending audio for your clips. The free version gives you access to features that would cost $30 a month on Adobe Premiere. It feels illegal because you're getting a professional video editor that used to require years of training, completely free in your browser. ElevenLabs has a free tier that gives you 10,000 characters of AI voice generation per month. And the voices sound real. Not robotic, not fake, but genuinely human. You type a script, and ElevenLabs reads it with natural pauses, emotion, and emphasis. You can clone your own voice with just 1 minute of audio. You can generate sound effects from text descriptions. The quality is so good that podcasters, audiobook narrators, and video creators are using it daily. It feels illegal because you are getting studio-quality voiceover work that used to cost thousands of dollars for literally $0 a month. Canva AI now includes a suite of generative AI tools completely free. You can generate images from text prompts, remove backgrounds with one click, and auto-resize designs for any platform. The Magic Eraser lets you delete unwanted objects from photos without any trace. The AI can write your social media captions, suggest hashtags, and even generate full presentations from a single prompt. Every feature that used to be locked behind Photoshop or a paid Canva plan is now available in the free tier. It feels illegal because you're getting a complete creative suite that replaces multiple paid tools, all in one free browser app. Descript is a video and audio editor that lets you edit by editing the transcript. It transcribes your video automatically, and then you just delete text to delete footage. You can remove filler words like and with one click. You can fix mistakes by typing the correction, and the AI regenerates your voice saying the corrected words. You can screen record, edit, and publish all from one app. The free plan gives you 3 hours of transcription per month with full editing capabilities. It feels illegal because you're getting a tool that makes professional video editing as easy as editing a Google Doc. Leonardo AI gives you 150 free image generations every single day. That is more than enough for any content creator. You could train custom models on your own art style. You can generate images with transparent backgrounds. You can upscale low-resolution images to full HD. The quality rivals Midjourney, but without the monthly subscription. The interface is designed specifically for creators with preset styles for thumbnails, social media posts, and blog graphics. It feels illegal because you're getting unlimited AI art generation that matches paid tools with 150 free images daily. Opus Clip takes one long video and uses AI to find the most engaging moments, then cuts them into short clips automatically. It adds captions, ranks the clips by virality score, and even suggests the best frame for each thumbnail. You upload a 30-minute podcast and get 10 ready to post short clips in under 5 minutes. Each clip gets a virality score, so you know which ones to post first. The free plan gives you 60 minutes of processing per month. It feels illegal because an editor would charge hundreds of dollars for the same work, and the AI does it in seconds. Notion AI now includes a free tier with basic AI features. You can ask it to summarize any page, generate action items from meeting notes, or write a first draft of any document. It works inside every Notion page, database, and project. You can ask it to translate, rewrite, or expand any text block. The AI can also answer questions about your entire Notion workspace, pulling information from different pages. The free plan includes a generous number of AI responses per month. It feels illegal because you're getting an AI writing assistant that understands your entire project context, built into your existing workflow, completely free. That is 7 free AI tools for content creators that feel illegal in 2026. Every single one has a free tier that can replace a paid subscription. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below, subscribe to Web Oracle for daily tech content, and we will see you in the next video.